All right, this video is going to demonstrate how to just create a project with IntelliJ. It's not going to explain the code or anything. The purpose of this is that as you're kind of navigating through the lessons, I've uploaded many different programming videos. All of these videos are done in NetBeans, which might confuse some of you. Let me show you what. So this is my YouTube channel. I made all my videos in NetBeans, and there's hundreds of videos in there. And NetBeans was bought out by Oracle, and Oracle has made it super complicated to use NetBeans amongst the different platforms like Macs and PCs. I'm on a PC. I can send videos if you're on a Mac. But when it comes to just downloading the compiler systems, this should be an easy thing. You should be fighting with the code, not the compiler. So I then jumped to Eclipse, and Eclipse has become difficult because I think they did an upgrade a semester or two ago, and I've had students that have issues with Eclipse, and so I've switched over to IntelliJ. So here, and you're going to see something like this posted on the course homepage under the announcements, but I've got a YouTube link. It says use this link to install IntelliJ to see how to install JavaFX when we get to Unit 5. So this link will open up, let's see here, sorry, it should open up. Yep, it should open up this page, and this page will show you how to install JavaFX and IntelliJ, and it should be really easy. IntelliJ is really friendly, but this is 5 months old. I tested it it seemed to work fine this last summer with students, and then I also tried it in the spring semester 2023, and it worked. So, I got my fingers crossed that they haven't done any crazy upgrades, and this will be easy to download, all right? So this video is, again, it's just going to show you how to run the project. Once you know set up your folders and files and stuff. Once you know how to set up your folders and files, you can watch my programming videos that are in NetBeans. It is not a big deal. The code is code. It's going to be the same whatever platform you're on. So my goal here is just try to find you the easiest platform to use for this class, and then then I'm not getting a bunch of calls from students that are frustrated. Well, I'm on a Mac and I can't get it to download, or I'm on a PC and there's been an upgrade and I can't. And that's really difficult for me because I'm on my computer and mine's been downloaded, it works fine, and then you're getting all sorts of errors, and it's kind of like a shot in the dark for me. So again, I'm trying to just use this, and we should go from there. So I have this program that I explain what the code does in NetBeans, but I just want to show you the setup of it. All right. So when you're doing this, once you got IntelliJ downloaded, you click File, and this may take a little while because I've got a bunch of things open. Yeah, I might have to close some screens. It's the processing on this thing is just. I might pause the video and join. Okay, no. So File, New Project, and so the new project window should open. I always just call this is going to be your main file, so I'll call it main and then whatever I do. So name in box, and I just created one earlier as a test video, so I'm going to call mine main name in box 2, and I'll say create. Okay, that creates your main name in box 2 folder. We're going to do this window, and I'm going to say don't ask again here. And so this will create our project up here. Give it a second, it's processing. go. And again, it's going to run faster on your computer. I got a million things open, and then the video software is using up processing speed. So we open that up. We open up the source package. We've got the main. That's this file right here. I will right-click the source package and say New Java class. And I'm just going to call this one name in box. And then I'll create my name in box file right here. Okay. Alright, so again, I'm not going to tell you what all this code means, but you can watch the other video to see how that works. So I'm going to say name in box, my name in box equals new name in box. And I'm going to say my name in box dot display name in box. Okay. Got an error there because we haven't created the method yet. So I'll copy that, and then in here, oops, say public void display name in box, open in parentheses, close it, and then okay, so I'm gonna do the okay, once you think your program's done, and you don't have any errors, well, and it will, when you compile it, it will see if you have any errors too. Okay, that goes away. This should turn green up here, so I click it. This is my run button, my green run button. I click it, and you can see down here on the screen it's building, which basically means it's saving, and then it's compiling your code, breaking it all down to and the output window should pop up on the bottom here in a second. Again, this will work faster on your computer that doesn't have, you know, a million websites open. And let's see here, there you go, there's Mike Seeley name in box. It looks kind of like it's in a box. So anyway, that is the setup for every program in here. Okay. It will look almost exactly the same in NetBeans as well, but I wanted to make sure that you're comfortable using the IntelliJ platform. I want you to use this platform because this is the platform that we're going to use for JavaFX. I got JavaFX working on it with everybody the last couple semesters, so you should be good for this semester. Those of you that are wanting to test JavaFX, the video that I have the link for right here. The first time you run it, a box, a graphical user interface box displays, and I think it just has like a, I don't know if it has a button or a label on it that says hello world. But if you get that to display, you know that your JavaFX is installed properly, and you'll be good to go when Unit 5 comes around. And so test that out early, and then get back to me if there are issues with it, because then I can have time to you know, test different ways to get it to work on the different platforms. Okay. This is the end of the video.